In this video, we're going to talk about taking a deposit or final payment for a go-ahead order. We have multiple areas in Quotewrite where you can apply payments seamlessly, and one of them is by going to Quotes and then All Orders. To add a payment directly from here, locate the order and then click on the Payments tab. Apart from this section, you can also add a payment when you go to the Workflow Manager. Once you're in here, look for the order you'll add the payment on, for example, order 20719, then click on the Payments tab. This will display the Payments Preview page, then press Add Payments or Send Receipt. You will now be directed to the Payments Manager where you can process payments by hitting Add Payment. In this section, you may enter the amount in this field. Then you can backdate a payment to match the bank statement date by selecting the payment transaction date. Make sure to select the payment method from the drop-down list. The options you'll see here are available in your account. Customers can pay through cash, credit card via payment gateway. If you select this option, it will give you another set of fields to fill out. That includes the credit card fee, which you may change accordingly. Please take note that you may add custom payment methods and credit card fee through settings. You can also select which would be the default one when adding payments. And since we've selected the credit card via payment gateway, we have an option which is the payment gateway. This account's default gateway used is Stripe, so this is automatically selected here, though we have other payment gateways to choose from. And of course, this won't go through without the credit card information. Input the name of the card here, the card number, and the CVC. Once you've confirmed that everything is all good, you may click on the Process button. All payments done will show up here, including the sales rep who processed the payment, payment method used, the transaction date selected, the amount, and the card fee if there's any. So closing the Payments Manager will route you back to the Workflow Manager. Now, if a low deposit has been made, you will see its status in red button. This page will give you a highlight of the clients who owe you money, since this will show you the current status of the payment and the amount already paid. That's it for the payments. Kindly check our other videos so you can learn more about the Workflow Manager and how it works.